To fix Play Store stuck at 99. In this video I have the solution of this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone and then open apps. Here on apps you have to search only for Google Play Store. Open it like this and then go to storage option and go to the last button, clear data, then click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things, you have to go to notifications, turn off it like this and turn on it like this again, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.